Have you ever wondered what happens if a trust document is lost? Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaury, and today we're diving into what steps to take when a crucial trust document can't be found. You see, a lost trust document isn't the end of the road. Now, let's explore how you can navigate this challenging situation. Losing a trust document is more common than you might think, whether it's due to moving, accidental destruction, or simply misplacing it. The absence of this document poses unique challenges, especially after the person who created the trust has passed away, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But there is hope and legal avenues to address this. Now, in the state of Arizona, and probably in most jurisdictions, a trust doesn't automatically fail if the trust document is lost. Now, courts understand the reality of such situations and have mechanisms to deal with them. For instance, I recently handled this exact situation, and the court issued an order that the trust remained valid even though the document was located. And actually, I'll give you a quick update because just this morning, this is funny. So yesterday I had the court hearing in this case. This morning I got a call from a trust company that said, hey, we're the trustee of this trust. And we had no idea that they existed. So anyway, just a little twist of that. It proves two things. First of all, it proves that without a trust document, you can still appoint a trustee. And second, it proves that by doing that, sometimes by going to court, you can flush out like the facts and you know, if there is an actual trustee or if there is a trust somewhere, sometimes by doing that, you know, those people will actually come forward. And unfortunately, you can't just sit around and, as I say, aggressively wait for the phone to ring by the, you know, from some trustee or someone saying, hey, I have a copy of the trust. Like, you have to actually take proactive actions in order to get things happening. And a lot of times we have to go to the court system. Okay, so enough about that. You see, when a trust document is lost, you can file a petition in court to appoint a successor trustee and determine beneficiaries. This petition outlines the factual background, such as establishment of the trust, the transfer of property into the trust, and the relevant parties involved, to the best of your knowledge. Now, let me walk you through a scenario we recently encountered. In this case that I handled recently, like I said, a local relative couldn't find the deceased person's trust, the trust document after the relative passed away. Despite this, the local relative knew of the trust's intent or had a good idea and sought legal measures to act in the deceased relative's best interest. We helped her petition the court, and we successfully got her appointed as the successor trustee to manage and distribute the estate according to the presumed wishes of the grantor. The success of such a petition relies on evidence and possibly testimony about the grantor's intentions. That's what we did in court yesterday. And this might include deeds showing the trust's ownership of deeds. I mean, not actions. I mean like a document called a deed transferring real property or a house to the trust, for example. There might be financial records, personal accounts of the grantor's wishes, that sort of thing. The court then examines the evidence, considers the relationships and history of the parties involved, and makes a decision aimed at honoring the grantor's intent. It's a process designed to bring resolution and allow for the administration of the trust even in the absence of a document. Now, losing a trust document can be a stressful experience, but it's not insurmountable. With the right legal approach and understanding, you can ensure that your loved one's wishes are respected and fulfilled. If you're facing this or any estate planning challenge, don't navigate these complex waters alone. Give us a call. Our team is here to help guide you through every step. And for more information, visit our website linked below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others, okay, who might find this information helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.